Yahoo passed on Google twice. Then it died. Once, Yahoo was the king of the internet. More than just a search engine, it was how millions logged on to life. In 1998, two Stanford students came knocking. They had a search algorithm, faster, smarter, and more relevant than anything out there. They called it Google. Yahoo had the chance to buy it. The price? Just $1 million. But they turned it down. Why? They believed people didn't want better search results. They wanted portal stickiness, email, news, weather. Search wasn't important. Google exploded. It was faster, cleaner, smarter, and people flocked to it. Years later, Yahoo tried again. This time, Google asked for $3 billion. Yahoo still said no. That decision would haunt them forever. In 2008, Yahoo got another chance, this time to be bought. Microsoft offered over $44 billion, but Yahoo's board turned it down. They thought the company was worth more. In 2017, Yahoo sold for less than 1/10 of that to Verizon. Meanwhile, Google became one of the most valuable companies on Earth. What destroyed Yahoo wasn't just bad timing. It was pride, overconfidence, and failure to see real value. They underestimated the power of long-term vision and overestimated their own dominance. As an investor, you don't just bet on the now, you bet on what's next. Yahoo bet on itself and lost everything. This was the investor's voice. Learn from history or be buried by it. Subscribe for more.